If your clothes are getting looser, but the scale is barely moving, well, congratulations. You are experiencing the ultimate metabolic upgrade. Welcome to Healthcare Fact Friday on Keto Plain and Simple. I'm Coach Keto, and today we're talking about body recomposition. Now, so many people get incredibly frustrated when they start a healthy keto lifestyle because the number on the scale suddenly drops. But today I'm going to explain why that plateau is actually a massive victory and how adding just one specific type of exercise will transform your body from the inside out. But before I break this all down for you, making it plain and simple, give me a like and be sure to subscribe for more game-changing information that I'll be sharing with you. Know that your support is greatly appreciated. Now, let's break it all down. Now, traditional diets just make you a smaller, weaker version of yourself because you lose both fat and muscle mass. But a well-formulated keto diet is packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats. Now, this does something incredible. It allows you to burn off your stored body fat while protecting and even building your lean muscle tissue. Now, this is called body recomposition. And here's the secret. Muscle is much more denser than fat, right? Now, 1 pound of muscle takes up about 15% less space than 1 pound of fluffy fat. So if you lose 5 pounds of fat, but you gain 5 pounds of dense muscle, the scale literally does not move, but your waistline drastically shrinks. Now, this brings us to the most important pillar of exercise, and that is resistance training. Now, you see, my friends, when you combine the low insulin environment of keto with lifting heavy things just a few times a week, you send a powerful signal to your body. You are telling it to use your stored body fat for energy and use the protein you eat to build a powerful metabolic engine. So stop doing endless hours of cardio, pick up you some weights, and watch your body literally reshape itself. Now listen, stop letting a cheap piece of plastic on your bathroom floor dictate your self-worth. Just focus on how your clothes fit, how your energy feels, and how strong you're getting, because that's the true litmus test to gauge your fitness progress. Now, if you're ready to stop starving on the treadmill, or dreadmill as I like to call it, and start building a strong, metabolically healthy body, then I want you to send me a DM with the word strong, and let's build your protocol. Now, if you haven't already, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, the real healthcare doesn't start in your doctor's office. It starts in your kitchen and with the lifestyle choices you make every single day. Have a wonderful weekend. I'm Coach Keto, and I'll see you back here on Myth Monday. God bless.